So guys, welcome again to Smart Money Hustle. And before I even continue further, guys, there's this site that I want to share with you, which is hidden and most people don't know they can make money using this site. The name of the site is Shutterstock. Actually, I came to realize very soon people have been making money through this site and they haven't been sharing. So in this site, you're going to be paid once you join as a contributor, and then you upload content such as photos, videos, illustration, or even music. Okay, so when people download your content, you earn money in the process. In this channel, I said we are not gatekeeping anything. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please, you're missing a lot. Please subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that you will be among the first to be notified whenever I upload videos like this one. So let us continue. So this is a site, Shutterstock. So you can see I've written here Shutterstock contributor sign in. So you just type the same in Google and then you come over here, open this link. First of all, I want you to understand what you are going to do in this site for you to be paid, okay? I have said you are going to be paid by uploading images and videos. So I just want to scroll down so that you understand. So you will produce high quality images and videos for the customers of this site. So these images you can capture using your phone, and please don't use other people's images because of copyright strikes and everything, okay? And then you're going to upload those images, okay? And then once any of those images has been downloaded by their customers, you're going to be paid, okay? And then you can refer people also and earn from this site, okay? So let me just scroll again. You see something important over here. You can see that more than 1 billion has been paid out since this site started over 15 years ago. Let me just scroll again. So I want to click over here. You see the global earnings for some continents and some countries, just really quickly, so as to give you motivation on for you to start, okay? So I'm just going to click over here. I'm not going to waste a lot of time, guys, over here. I just want to show you. So these are the countries. Like Europe, you can see in the year 2019, this is the money that it made, okay? $105.3 million, okay? Let me just scroll again. For Asia, you can see they made, in the year 2018, they made 26.6 million, okay? So these are the highest earnings for a year. So they are highlighted over here. So for a third world country like Africa, some people will ask me, can you do it if you're from Africa? Yes, you can do it. You can see that for the year 2018, Africa made $700,000, okay? Those are the total earnings. And then here's the featured contributor. This is a person who made a lot of money during that year, okay? The name of the person is Nzewi. He is from Nigeria, okay? So this means this site is paying, and there's a confirmation that it is paying, okay? So you can see these are the countries with high growth in Africa. There's Morocco, there's also Kenya, there's Egypt, okay? So if you are from any of these countries, know that they are among the countries that are growing so much in this site, Shutterstock, okay? So once you're done with that, I just come over here again to the site itself. You can see also, so the site has easy to use tools. So these tools are meant to help you while you are uploading the images and everything, okay? So they make your work simple, okay? So just click over here to explore the tools. I'm not going to pass through that. Okay, you can see that you can also get the contributor app in your mobile, and this one will be easy for you because you'll just upload it from your phone, and then you're going to track all your earnings and including the activities that you're going to be doing in this site, okay guys? So once you are done passing through the homepage, you come over here and click join now. So your work will just be uploading photos, high quality ones, okay? And wait to make a sale. Okay, so once you have clicked join now, you're going to fill all the things that are listed over here, including your full name, your display name, what name do you want them to display, okay, for you, and then your email, and then your password. So you come over here, you pass through their privacy policy and terms of service, and then you tick over there, and then you get started, okay? So the steps are very simple, but because I already have an account, I'm not going to create another one. So what I'm going to do is just to show you how my account looks like. I created it some few days ago. So let me show you guys really quickly. So this is how my account looks like from the inside, okay? So here is my profile over here. You can see I'm already a contributor. This is my contributor ID over here on my top right corner, okay? And then this is how the site looks like, the homepage. If you want to go to the homepage, you just click over here. This is the homepage actually. And then if I scroll down, you can see so far I haven't submitted anything, okay? And I haven't even started uploading anything. So you can start uploading today. This is a new site. This is a site that I discovered like some few days ago. Okay, so I haven't been active on it, but I've decided to also share it guys with you as quickly as possible. Earnings are going to appear over here. Okay, so if I click over here, earning summary, if I had sold some photos or images, my earnings were going to should appear over here. Okay, total earnings, total downloads. Okay, referral earnings are for those people who are referred to this site. Okay, so if you refer somebody, you're going to earn from them. And then portfolio over here, portfolio is all the work that you have done. Okay, so you will just submit content, and then pending content is going to be shown, also reviewed content is also going to be shown, catalog, including all these other things. Okay guys, so this is how the site looks like. Okay, if I click over here, account, you can see public profile, account settings. If you want to do any settings in the account, you just click over there. You come over here if you want to change your email, everything. Okay, I'm not going to show you my personal details for now. So this is how the account looks like. So your work will just be simple. You just click over here, you click over here, upload. You upload the high quality images, use keywords, you follow the steps that have been given, and also rely on ChatGPT. Is going to give you a lot of insight of how to operate in this site. Okay guys, it's going to help you so much. So the site name guys is Shutterstock, and it's a hidden site. Some people don't know people can make money over here. So if you liked this content and you want even more sites, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, so that whenever I upload any of this video, you are going to be among the first to be notified and the first to apply before they become overcrowded. So guys, see you on the next video. Be blessed and bye.